Hi, I'm getting ready to do an eBird checklist, and I want to make sure you can see exactly how to do it. So, step one, I'm outside. Step two, I've got my handy dandy phone thingy, and there's my eBird app. I'm gonna press that right there. Gives me the date, the time, it's 4:50. And start checklist, yeah. Now, I'm out here, and I'm gonna start birding. Aha, I just heard a tufted titmouse, so this is what I'm gonna do. I could scroll through this huge list and look for tufted titmouse, or I can just go to species name and code and go T-U-T-I. Oh, that said U, but there's I. There we go, tufted titmouse. Click on tufted titmouse, enter 1, done, and this list is now underway. If I click on that check mark, it'll show me all the species on my list. I also heard a robin over there, so let's look at putting a robin on the list. AMRO, American Robin. And there we go. We'll check back in when it's time to submit the whole checklist. All right, well, I've been out here birding for a few minutes, and it's cold, so I'm going back inside. So let me end this particular checklist right here and now. Here's the list. I actually got 10 species on the list, from mourning dove all the way down to northern cardinal. And what I'm going to do now is stop. And it says, are you done birding? Yeah, I'm done birding. Let's stop that track. And the next thing it's going to ask me is to choose a location. My location is it's either going to be, GPS location, or I can use a location I've used before. And this is just my address here in Stillwater. It was 1 observer for 9 minutes. I went 0.22 kilometers. That's pretty cool. Is this a complete checklist of all the birds you were able to identify? And the answer is yes, because sometimes you might be, seeing lots of other birds, but you're only eBirding one or something like that. But in this case, I'm eBirding everything I was able to identify, so I click yes, and then I submit. Done, boom, checklist in. Ready to start a new one at 5 p.m. Thanks for playing. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Tim O'Connell here, about to go birding. You want to come along? Let's go. Hi, I'm about to go e-birding, and I want to show you exactly how it works.